How easy it is. Let your guy rope out, get your strap and wrap it up as high as you can on the awning arm and tighten it, tension it, then separate your guy ropes, and I like to use two. I like to use them at 90 degrees. Grab your easy anchor and your peg, subject to the ground, whether you use an outback peg, which we're using today, because this is hard ground, or a coastal peg. Attach your driver and hold it, the base of the easy anchor parallel to the ground, and screw in at full speed. Then take your rope gripper, pull it up, let it off, and your whole system is tight.